Now we are going to discuss about a non-invasive diagnosis of early stage disease through human neck using neural network. Main objective of our project is to identify the disease in human neck by using different classification algorithms. Human's hand nail is analyzed to identify many diseases at early stage of diagnosis. Study of person hand nail color helps in identification of particular disease in healthcare domain. The proposed system guides in such a scenario to take decision in disease diagnosis. The input to the proposed system is person nail image. The system will process an image of nail and extract features of nail which is used for disease diagnosis. The system is developed with different classification algorithms such as convolutional neural network, that is CNN, and random forest for classifying the different type of disease. The experimental results show that some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate. Then we are going to discuss about flow of our project. So this is the flow diagram. First we need to choose a one input image from our data set. Then the input image is carried out to pre-processing. So in this step we can resize the original image as well as grayscale conversion. Then the pre-processed image is carried out to feature extraction module. In this module, so we are implemented the mean, median and variance. The extracted features is carried out to image splitting module. In this step, we can split the image into testing and training. The splitted image is carried out to classification. So in this step, we can implement a CNN and random forest. With the help of these two algorithms, so we can estimate the accuracy. Then finally we can predict what type of disease is occurred in our human need. So this is the flow. So based on the flow only, so flow implemented. This is now we are going to explain the demo of our project. So this is a spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Just I run the project. We need to choose one input image from your dataset for identifying the type of disease. So this is the original image, resized image, grayscale conversion, feature extraction. These are the feature values, and this is the LBB, local binary pattern. Then image splitting. So this is the total number of images. So after splitting test and train, so this is the test image and this is the train image. Then CNN, so CNN algorithm got 99% accuracy. Then random forest 93% accuracy. So then prediction, so the identified disease is blue line, so which we have chosen from input from our data set, so that image is identified as blue lines. Then this is the comparison graph for our both algorithm CNN and random forest. Then I am choosing one type. So same concept, original image, then resized image, grayscale conversion, feature extraction, then LBB, local binary pattern. So the selected input image is identified as brittle splitting nails. This is comparison graph. So this is the output of our project. Thank you.